Somehow this squirrel kept getting past the baffle, and I couldn't figure out how he was doing it, so I set up my camera. Here comes the squirrel. We're finally going to catch him in the act. There he is, just eating some seeds on the ground, but he's got something else on his mind. Let's watch and see what he does. Wow, that happened so fast. Let's slow it down. Let's slow it down a little more. Let's slow it down even more. Squirrels are so incredibly smart. I can't believe he figured out how to get past the baffle. To remedy this situation, I straightened the pole so it was perpendicular to the ground and he wasn't able to get past it anymore. Hi, it's Jeff with Backyard Birds. If you like this video and want to see more like it, you may want to subscribe to my channel. Just click the red subscribe button below the video. To be notified of new videos, be sure to click the bell widget next to the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on the Backyard Birds channel.